Have you ever looked at your life and thought, what am I even doing? That was me just 24 hours ago. I woke up feeling stuck, unmotivated, and tired of making excuses. But instead of waiting for the perfect time, I decided to fix my life in a single day. I didn't need 1 year, nor 6 months. Crazy? Maybe. But what I did in those 24 hours changed everything, and it can do the same for you too. This isn't motivation. These are real-life truths. Step 1. Clear out your space. Clear out your mind. As we all know, cleanliness is next to godliness. So, I started by cleaning my room. Sounds simple, but it's powerful. Your environment reflects your mindset. When your space is messy, your head is messy. I threw away distractions, organized everything, and instantly felt more in control. Step 2. Write down everything. Yes, everything. I grabbed a notebook and wrote out every single thing I've been avoiding. Bills, calls, goals I've been too scared to chase. When you see all on paper, it stops being this big, scary cloud in your head. I always tell myself, nothing is easy, but things becomes harder when you say it's hard. Step 3. Set 3 non-negotiables. I told myself, today, I will finish these 3 things no matter what. Not 10 things, not 50, just 3 that actually move my life forward. This is how you build momentum fast. Step 4. Control what you consume. I turn off notifications, deleted apps I didn't need, stopped scrolling on TikTok. YouTube, like all, is well with my soul. Meanwhile, financial difficulties are finishing me up. I reduced the amount of money I spend on data every week. Saved 50% of it. And this time around, I came to YouTube to learn profitable skills. What you feed your brain shapes how you think. Step 5. Move your body. I force myself to work out. Nothing crazy, just 30 minutes. When your body moves, your energy changes. You start feeling like someone who takes action. I'm an introvert, so I normally take a stroll around the beach to feel the breeze. I didn't magically wake up with my life figured out. I woke up late, scrolled on my phone for an hour, and realized I'm wasting my potential. That was my breaking point. I told myself, enough is enough. If I keep living like this, I'll be in the exact same place a year from now. And that's the first step to fixing your life fast. Radical honesty. No sugarcoating. No, I'll start Monday. I admitted I had no discipline, no clear routine, and no real goals. I needed a total reset, and I needed it now. But here's the real secret. Fixing your life in 24 hours isn't about solving everything at once. It's about proving to yourself that you can change, starting right now. Once you see how much you can accomplish in a single day, your excuses fall apart. You stop waiting for the perfect plan or perfect timing. You realize you have control, and that's the spark you need to transform your life completely. And if this video hit you hard, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs a reset, too. Hit that like button, subscribe to Startove Info, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to change in your life today? I'll be reading every single one.